I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming model compatibility and choosing a direct USB 3.0 port. This reduces power and bandwidth issues. Once done, plug the Alfa adapter firmly and prevent the system from sleeping. Next, locate the correct driver bundle for your operating system and unzip it to a known folder so you can run installers quickly. Make sure to disable any conflicting Wi-Fi adapters temporarily. This prevents driver conflicts and speeds up the initial connection process. You run the driver installer with elevated privileges so system services and kernel modules install cleanly. This avoids permission errors. Once the installer completes, reboot to let the kernel bind the new device and start any background services. After reboot, launch the Alfa utility or network manager to scan for networks, select your SSID, and enter credentials. Make sure to choose the correct band and encryption type. Doing so improves throughput and stability for your connection. You finalize by selecting the network, entering the PSK, and verifying you have internet access with a simple ping. Once connected, enable the correct regulatory domain and adjust transmit power only if legal and needed. This ensures optimal range and avoids interference. If something goes wrong, check system logs, device manager, or DMESC for driver errors, try another USB port or cable, and reinstall drivers. A single restart after reinstall often clears lingering conflicts. Use that as your first troubleshooting move.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.